was like any other day. I had yard work that needed to get done. Told my wife, I got it. Those gutters aren't gonna clean themselves. She was all like, don't break your leg. So I grabbed the ladder, I got on the roof, and, well, I guess the rest is pretty obvious.
Remember what we always say, fellas. Just because I think I can fix it
doesn't mean I should.
Southern Siding and Gutters guarantee that you never have to clean clogged gutters again. We can retrofit your existing gutters or install a brand new ultimate gutter system. Quit running the risk of foundation damage, roof damage, flower bed erosion, or potentially falling off of the ladder. Southern Siding and Gutters have been in business for over 50 years, so when we give a lifetime workmanship warranty, it means something. Protect the value of your home and call us today for our triple savings sale and a free estimate. We look forward to hearing from you today.
Anyway, my daughter says I went viral, whatever that means.